conference because all the dental colleges will be bidding for it. So
how
we
many,
are very happy.
How many participants from dental colleges will be participating?
Around 600 we have got the registrations, more than 600 registrations.
College additional college?
Mostly all over
Almost
India,
all.
wherever we have post-graduation in oral pathology, all those colleges participate. Because this is speciality, so only the postgraduate students and the teachers they come. And we also have people coming from Muscat, from Malaysia, then from Nepal, and from US and Japan.
ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಏನು 30th ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 30th ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳಗಿನ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು
everyone will try their best to get the best of speakers, best of the orators. Best of sharing knowledge.
Basically, we have in the conference we have invited speakers who are expert in their field, and they are the ones who come and share their knowledge with everyone. So it's basically a learning mechanism for everyone, but not only for students but even for the faculty. Apart from that, we also give opportunity to all the scientists because in oral pathology a lot of research goes on. So the scientists who are there, they present all the students and the teachers. They will be presenting the research that they have done. So today our country needs to be very much aware of what is happening all around the world and what are we doing. We in our country, how are we doing? Because actually speaking, a lot of work is done in our country, but it doesn't get shown to everyone. So through these conferences, it gets shown to everyone. We coming out with the proceeding of the conference, which goes everywhere, and people get to know what is the major area of research going on, what is the outcome of the research, how can we further it. And because there are so many oral diseases, till now when we talk about general health, people were not very, governments or organizations have not much bothered about oral health. Though oral cavity is the area from where everything goes into the stomach, but people have not given importance to the oral health. Now Government of India, Government of Karnataka has taken a lot of initiative in bringing about this awareness program and having a healthy mouth. Because if the mouth is healthy, the oral cavity is healthy, then the whole body is healthy. So these are the things which we also try to propagate from our conference.
Any oral pathologists, they are participating in this competition?
These are all oral pathologists.
Not apart from students, medical faculty.
So it is only for oral pathology, postgraduates and staff.
And teachers, and all the others also who are there.
What I am asking is whether any oral pathologists who are practicing outside,
yes,
ಅವ್ರು 600 ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಅದಾರೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಅದಾರೆ, ಓರಲ್ ಪೆಥಾಲಜಿ ಯಾರು ಕಲಿತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಅವರು ಅದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಹೊರಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋರು.
So this every year conference is basically a platform for all the oral pathologists all over India to come together and put forth their views.
So what we are finding is whether such conferences, as my friend asked about the results about the conferences, the type of conferences, but still the oral cancer or oral problems are very much high. Every year they are going to increase. What we are finding is oral surgery is also going to take place. That's what the success of such conferences comes in doubt.
See, today morning we had an activity where we had gone to the bus stand, and we do it only only during the conference. In a year, at least twice in a year, we do this activity of going, because either through NSS or through this department, on 25th of February is a oral pathology day all over India. So through these multiple sources, we try to create awareness about the ill effect of tobacco, because what you said is absolutely right. Though we talk about the research of cancer, how to treat it and how to prevent it, but one of the most important factors which causes oral cancer, muka cancer, is tobacco. So tobacco is either eaten directly, you mix it in the hand and you put it, or you get this pan parag and all these masala powders, gutkas, or you smoke. So what we need to do is, we have to tell the people about the ill effect. So even the government you must have seen on every packet we have a warning which has been given. So till we don't make this awareness, people are not going to stop using it. See, the use of tobacco is not wrong, but the abuse of tobacco is wrong. Otherwise, tobacco is medicinal property. But instead of using it as a medicine, we are making it as a habit, because it forms a habit. So people are not able to give it up. So what we are trying to do is, we have one program from our college which we have called as Live and Let Live program. It's been happening since 2016. So we have gone to now, because see, if you must realize, that now 8, 15, 16, 14, that age group children have started taking, school children have started taking. So we are focusing for the pre-university colleges, PU colleges, and we are educating those children, you know, what are the wrong things which can happen with tobacco, so that they will not form the habit. You can't make a 50-year-old or 45-year-old person change the habit, but you can prevent it if you teach them from 14, 15, 13, 12 age, you can teach them. So that is our aim. So outcome of the conferences that we have learned, that we have to educate the masses about tobacco and not to use tobacco. That is one of the main.
Sorry for interrupting. This question is relevant or not, I am asking
No,
because
no.
of this is oral health.
Yes.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಟೂತ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ಗಳ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಹಾ.
ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವೆದರ್ ಟೂತ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫಾರ್ ಓರಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Some are endorsed by the so-called
ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ತಾವು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ
Yeah, I will answer this. If you remember in between there was Colgate had come up with toothpaste with fluoride. Then recently it has come to toothpaste with salt. So charcoal. So all these are just advertisement gimmicks.
ಬಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ
See, this is
ದೇ ಆರ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೈಟ್ ಕೋಟ್ಸ್
They should not be giving advertisement.
We are not
To
supposed to
advertise,
advertise like
but we are
that.
not supposed to.
Yeah. So
should not advertise.
we don't advertise. Actually, from our institution side or from our side, we don't
No, in
advertise any company.
this type of conference, you have to.
Yes. Yeah, we have different specialities of our dentistry who take focus only on this, like public health dentistry.
Yes.
So they have focus programs about the tooth powder, toothpaste. Now, if you see now villages, people have been using, they burn the tobacco or they even the neem seed. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम चारकोल का ash इससे भी दांत साफ करते हैं ना, तो उसमें वो कुछ गलत नहीं है. अब हमारे फोर फादर्स तो नीम के डंडी से या तो ये सब चीजों से दांत साफ करते थे, उसमें गलत नहीं है, लेकिन उसमें जो रफनेस रहता है वो हमारा दांत का सरफेस को घिस देता है, तो वो हम एजुकेट करते हैं. तो जहाँ पे फ्लोराइड कंटेंट पानी का ज्यादा है, पूरे देश में एक जैसा फ्लोराइड कंटेंट नहीं है, कहीं ज्यादा है कहीं कम है, उसका भी हम अवेयरनेस करते हैं कि जहाँ पर पानी में ही ज्यादा फ्लोराइड है उन्होंने वो टूथपेस्ट नहीं यूज करना चाहिए जिसमें फ्लोराइड है. तो ये अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम होता है कि पब्लिक हेल्थ डेंटिस्ट्री एक स्पेशलिटी है, वो लोग करते हैं.
On the contrary, nowadays there is one controversy that film stars whom we look as idols.
Yes.
They are promoting the film stars.
Yes, no.
You go for this.
Even
This should be
we are
prohibited
also
at
very
some
unhappy
point.
about it because a lot of children keep them as their idols and they keep.
No, so we do not allow them. We don't take any such people who are doing it now. We discriminate them and we don't use them as our icon for anything. These heroines nowhere we take them, and these companies are not attached. We don't take sponsorship also. Though we have a lot of money, we don't take anything from.
Like if you just to sum it up, like what are the top 5 or what are the top issues?